Hey gang, Jason here, and this video is long overdue. So, my buddy Kyle, Punky KN's Animations, if you guys don't follow him on social media, you gotta run over and follow him. He's a great 3D designer. He does really cool stop-motion videos here on YouTube, and just a really good guy. Anyway, he does some design work for me, and then here's a few things he just designed just to kind of see how they would turn out or see if I like them, and, well, the answer is yes. So check this out. How about this really cool welder here? So if you guys are kind of familiar with some maybe more old school shop welders here, this is it. You can see your electrodes plug in there. I apologize for shaky cam. Oh, that's so cool. How he got that detail is just beyond me, but super cool. I mean, obviously 3D design, 3D printed, really great job. Yeah, apologize for shaky cam, guys. I'm super shaky here lately for some reason. So anyway, he sent me a few of those. I'm excited. I got uses for those all day long. We'll have those at various stations in the Dogtown ag shop. So check this out. Portable. Really neat. You got your your kind of like ridge there. I think it's a handle is what that ends up being, and then you've got your little knob detail and all that stuff. Can't wait to get this little guy painted up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put this maybe just in the back of one of my pickup trucks for Dogtown. That'll be super cool. And then got this really neat fuel tank that he did. You can see we've got a place for the hose to go in up there. We've got our vent back here. Just really cool. Definitely got some uses for that guy. And then last and certainly not least, in fact, maybe my favorite, check out this vise. How awesome is that? He did a vise for me a while back, and it was really neat. And then he did this one. Boy, the camera's really good at zooming in on my finger grime. I've been working all day, guys, so a little grimy. Check out the detail on this. I mean, you can see where you're, if I can grab it, you can see where you're supposed to bolt it down. You've got your tightener there. I'm sure there's a better word than tightener for that, but you can kind of see the slide there. Even up in the jaws, you've got some detail. This thing, when I saw this thing, he showed it to me. He actually brought these to me at Lafayette. When I first saw this thing, I was blown away by it. It's just really neat, really cool. Gosh, yeah, can't wait to get that. Don't know where for sure that's going to go. Don't know where for sure that's going to go. I don't know where that's going to go for sure, but without a doubt that will be on Dogtown somewhere. Like I said, this is long overdue. Lafayette's, a month ago now at this point. Actually, a little longer than that. But that's just the way things have been going lately. Anyway, yeah, there it is, guys. I just can't say enough good things about this stuff. I just think it's all super cool. Again, just does a great job. Punky KN's Animation. Kyle, he's all over, Instagram, YouTube, so on and so forth. Just one of the guys that does a lot of design work for me, and super talented, and I definitely plan to keep him busy in the future. And actually, you know what? This would be a great time to just do a quick sneak peek. Here is something else Kyle designed for me. Yeah. Now this actually has cylinders here. I'm just using those pins right now to hold this up, but there are actually cylinders that go in here. So this will actually raise and lower the disc. So just, I mean, how cool is this thing, guys? I've got to do a little detail painting on the bolts still here where the shanks attach, but I'm super excited for these. Got some more printing right now. This first test print right here just turned out incredible. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. I know I have not been getting videos out as quickly lately. I'm going to work on turning that around. I am feeling a little stronger. My voice is getting a little better. So, yeah, hopefully more videos soon. Hope to get back to lives really soon, guys. Maybe this week I can throw one in if everything goes well. So, okay, guys, thank you for watching. Have yourselves a great day and a happy tractor hunting.